If you've been thinking about going green with your flooring, but the prices scared you away, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to choose eco-friendly, sustainable, long-lasting flooring without spending a fortune. Yes, it's possible, and yes, the results can look just as luxurious as high-end materials. And stay till the end, because I'll also show you how Flooring Dubai helps homeowners switch to eco-friendly flooring while staying completely within budget. Let's get started. Why eco-friendly flooring doesn't have to be expensive. A lot of people think eco-friendly means premium price, but in reality, most sustainable flooring materials are actually more durable, more stable, and require fewer replacements. That means over the years, you spend less, not more. The key is knowing which sustainable materials are affordable and which ones are overpriced trends. 1. Choose SPC flooring, the budget-friendly eco-champion. Most people don't know this, but SPC flooring is one of the most eco-friendly options available today. Here's why. It uses recyclable stone composite. It lasts 20+ years, so less waste. It requires zero chemicals for maintenance. It reduces indoor toxins compared to old vinyl. It's energy efficient to produce. The best part? SPC is extremely budget-friendly and looks stunning. You get natural wood visuals without cutting down a single tree. And Flooring Dubai offers some of the most advanced, low-emission SPC collections in the region. 2. Consider bamboo, fast-growing and renewable. Bamboo grows 20 times faster than hardwood trees. It's tough, stylish, and a premium eco-friendly option that doesn't carry the heavy price tag of solid wood. If you want the natural wood look but also want to protect forests, bamboo is a beautiful middle ground. 3. Go for engineered wood instead of solid wood. Solid hardwood is expensive, and it requires cutting down entire trees. Engineered wood, however, uses a thin layer of real wood on top, meaning you still get the feel of natural wood. You use far less timber. You pay less. You get better durability in humid climates. It's eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. 4. Look for recycled and reclaimed flooring. One of the most stylish trends in 2025 is reclaimed flooring, wood or materials salvaged from old buildings, factories, and barns. The beauty? It's affordable. It's sustainable. Every piece has character. And it reduces environmental waste. Plus, reclaimed wood instantly makes any interior feel rich and unique. 5. Stick to water-based finishes. Even the best eco-flooring becomes harmful if the installer uses harsh chemical adhesives or coatings. When going green, always choose water-based adhesives, low VOC finishes, non-toxic underlays. Not only is this better for the environment, it's better for your family's health. 6. Choose flooring that lasts longer. Eco-friendly doesn't just mean recyclable. It means you won't need to replace it every few years. Durability equals sustainability. And this is where options like SPC and engineered wood shine. They outlast cheap flooring many times over. 7. Work with a supplier who actually cares about sustainability. This is the part most people skip, and it matters the most. If your supplier cuts corners or uses unsafe materials, your flooring won't actually be eco-friendly, even if the label says so. At Flooring Dubai, we ensure low VOC products, recyclable SPC cores, sustainably sourced materials, eco-conscious installation techniques, zero-waste cutting and fitting processes. You get beautiful floors that don't damage your health or the planet, all while staying within your budget. Going eco-friendly doesn't mean giving up style or overspending. With the right materials, and the right team, you can transform your home sustainably and affordably. So if you want to explore eco-friendly flooring options without breaking the bank, contact Flooring Dubai today for free samples, free measurement, Free consultation. Same-day installation options. Eco-friendly flooring isn't just a trend, it's a smarter way to live, and a smarter way to invest in your home.